Hello everyone and welcome back to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this video we're talking about how to translate entire web pages in Google Chrome Mobile. So guys, to get started, just pull up the foreign language website you want to read inside the Chrome app on your phone. So when you open up a website, you have to absolutely be on it, otherwise the contextual setting menus for translation will not pop up. And then you just remain here in any section of the website, click on the three dots right here on the top right, scroll a bit down and click on Translate. As you can see, it has this icon of Google Translate. Click on it, and now as you can see, the page will be translated. If you want to change the language, click on the settings here icon right here. Then more languages. If you need to change the language, you do it here, right? When you're done, as you can see, my language is actually defaults. It defaults to English, so there's nothing translated. But if I go to some Danish or French website, for example, I'll surely get my translation to English. That's it. That's how you do it, guys. Enjoy and see you in the next one.